Hello and welcome to Technologically Challenged, your go-to channel for everything tech.
Remember to subscribe to this channel if you want your tech views, news and reviews from a professional idiot.
Today's episode, we look at 5 different reasons why you should get the Nintendo Switch in 2019. Number 1 has to be the exclusive line of games that Nintendo has for the Switch. If you want your Mario fix, you've got Super Mario Odyssey, you've got Mario Kart. If you want your Zelda fix, you have Zelda Breath of the Wild. But in my opinion, the best game they have at the moment is the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. They've literally brought in Nintendo's distinctive gameplay and they've blended it with the amazing feel that you get from Street Fighter, and they've literally brought it together in one game. I think that is a win-win for every game lover out there. So number 1 has to be the exclusive line of games that you have under the Switch. Reason number 2 why I think you should get the Nintendo Switch in 2019 has to be its price. Sitting at under $300 or pounds depending on where you are, that has to be the cheapest and the most affordable proper gaming console that is out there in the market today. I mean, look at the Xbox One X or the PS4 Pro. Bundled up, they can go upwards of $400 or even sometimes $500. And I think that is quite expensive for most people, whereas the Switch, sitting at under $300, is literally, they've got it right on the money, and I think it is just a win-win for everyone. The third reason why you should get the Nintendo Switch in 2019 has to be the fact that it is the perfect family game out there at the moment. I mean, even just look at Mario Kart, and you can connect up to 8 players on a single connection. And in my opinion, that is the perfect recipe for wholesome family fun. Or fights, I don't really know. You may be over competitive and then you might start a fight if you're losing. But hey, you do you. I mean, fights are fun, am I right? Reason number 4. Its simple, stellar and sleek design and user interface is the reason why I think it's a perfect gaming console out there at the moment. I mean, when you turn it on, it just shows the list of games you have. You turn it on, it plays the game. There's none of those crap where it's an entertainment system so you get to stream things. It's not an all-in-one system. If you want that, get an iPad or get something else. But if you want a console that you want to play games on, get the Nintendo Switch, because you turn it on, it shows the game, you start playing. That is how simple it is. So that is one of the very good reasons why you should get it in 2019. Reason number 5 for getting the Nintendo Switch in 2019 has to be mobility. It literally goes wherever you go. When you're at home, pop into the connector, it's on the TV, play it on the TV. When you're ready to leave, just take it off, pop it in your bag, and it's there. So wherever you go, you have your Switch with you. Remember as kids, when we used to play outside and then when we were losing, we would just take our ball and just go back home just so that we could ruin it for everyone? Was it only me? I was a horrible friend. Well, this is 2019's version of that. So when you're playing a game with your Switch at your friend's place and you're about to lose, just literally pop it off the connector, put it in your bag and just leave. Ruin it for everyone, because you were the one who was sensible enough to buy it in 2019 and not your friends. So you're better than your friends, so you can just ruin it for everybody. All jokes apart, it is the perfect gaming console to get in 2019. It's like mobility, amazing battery life, and it goes where you go. And I think that is the perfect gaming console in 2019. Well, there you have it. 5 reasons why I think you should get the Nintendo Switch in 2019. As always, remember to subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button, share it with your friend and family, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.